Brace yourself, the oddly satisfying ASMR niche has been completely hacked and the numbers are terrifying. 11.4 million views, 8 million, 14.4 million. Creators are printing views with this brilliant algorithm loophole, virtual extractions. Look at this. A scaly dinosaur foot, a metal tool popping a blister, and a crater refilled with glowing neon gel. It hits that gross but hypnotic trigger that forces viewers to watch on an endless loop. This is 100% free AI. Today, smash like, subscribe, and let's build your ASMR empire. Are ready for the next advanced workflow? Let's initiate the sequence. First, copy the entire master blueprint document. You'll find the direct link waiting for you in the video description. Take that raw text, paste it straight into your ChatGPT command line, and hit enter to execute. In a flash, the AI maps out a menu of 10 incredibly diverse, high-potential ideas. While you can explore any of these paths, for today's masterclass, we are going to zero in on concept number 6 to build out our visual narrative. Take a look at this output structure. It's highly detailed. ChatGPT has strategically generated 4 distinct image prompts paired with 3 dynamic video prompts. Next, transition over to the FlowAI hub and click Create with Google Flow. Let's dial in our parameters. Ensure you're on image mode. Lock the canvas to the vertical 9:16 aspect ratio and crank your generation batch up to ×4. This forces the AI to produce 4 unique stylistic variations, allowing us to handpick the absolute best asset. Swing back to your ChatGPT tab, highlight that very first image prompt and copy it. Paste it directly into the Flow command bar. Trigger the generation. Just a few seconds of processing and the AI delivers our first batch of 4 high-fidelity variations. The detail here is incredible, but we only need 1. Now it's time to be ruthless with your selection. Discard the 3 weaker renders immediately and isolate the absolute best composition. This single. Head back to your master blueprint in ChatGPT and grab the prompt for image 2. Here is the masterclass secret for flawless visual continuity. Drag your winning first image straight into the style reference parameter. Paste your second prompt into the console, hit generate, and let the AI construct the next scene. Once the new batch arrives, repeat the purge, eliminate the 3 inferior options, and lock in your top-tier result. Now, let's continue the chain. Head back to your script and secure prompt number 3. Here is the key to elite results. Drag your most recent masterpiece, image number 2, directly into the reference slot. We are now chaining the visual logic from one frame to the next. Paste the third prompt, trigger the render, and let the AI echo the previous style. Once the batch arrives, don't hesitate. Purge the 3 rejects and lock in the winning shot. We are building a consistent narrative, frame by frame. Final leg of the setup. Grab your 4th and final prompt. This time, use your 3rd image as the new visual anchor. Drop the final prompt into the console and hit generate. One last time, evaluate the batch, filter out the noise, and secure only the crown jewel. Look at that. In record time, you've engineered 4 perfectly synchronized, hyper-realistic master assets. Now let's pivot into the animation phase. Shift your master control from image over to video, then select the frames module. Lock your dimensions to the portrait 9:16 aspect ratio and dial the generation scale down to x1. Let's program the first sequence. Take image 1 and position it into the start frame dock. Next, drop image 2 directly into the end frame slot. Go back to ChatGPT and capture video prompt 1. Paste this instruction straight into the FlowAI workspace and hit generate. Time to sequence the next phase. Carry over the momentum by dragging image 2 into the start frame position and drop image 3 right into the end frame box. Secure video prompt 2 from your master script, insert it into the prompt console, and trigger the generation. Just like that, your second dynamic clip is in production. Let's complete our visual puzzle. Drag image 3 into the start frame position. Then, grab your final asset, image 4. Hop back to your script inside ChatGPT one last time to secure video prompt 3. Paste this directive right into the FlowAI engine. Outstanding. You now have a trilogy of perfectly synchronized, interconnected video clips. Now comes the real magic, synthesis. Fire up your preferred editing studio, CapCut, Filmora, Premiere, or whatever workspace you favor. Drop all 3 clips onto your timeline in chronological order. Trim the fat by cutting out any dead space or loading frames to ensure an ultra-snappy flow. Finally, inject some high-impact sound design, visual effects, and dynamic transitions.